Hey everybody, thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. I'm Brent. Today we're going to dyno this 14 GT that has our Vortech V3 Supercharger package on it. I'm going to tell you a lot more about it. We are targeting 600 rural horsepower. So if you wonder more about this package, you can open that description, just click on it and see exactly what you get. This car does have a couple more mods that we've done. We're going to go over that. So hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us, stay up to date. Let's go check it out. So what's on the 14 GT today? It's a manual transmission running 93 octane. Doug, come down here, take a look. So this has our Vortech V3 Supercharger package. It's our Brenspeed turnkey package. We installed this, I think, man, it's like maybe like 2016 or something like that. So what's in the package? You get the JLT air induction system, Kohler spark plugs. Out of the box, it comes with a Kinney Bell booster pump. This client has installed the Boss 302 manifold, a set of Kooks headers. But what it's in for right now is we did a set of 95-pound fuel injectors, a 4 return style fuel system. So that way this is ready if you want to go E85, you want to turn the boost up a little bit, make some more power, it's ready to rock. So that's our Vortech package. Like I said, description will have a link. You can read all about these parts. And, click on it, read more about it. You email quote@brenspeed.com to say, hey, what's that cost to get installed? But it's our Vortech package. Check out this dyno pull. All right, DynoJet SAE manual 93 octane. Doug, come over here. Take a look. 633 rural horsepower, about 7,000 RPM. Torque about 495, peaking at 6,000 RPM. Killer package, stock engine, Gen 1 Coyote. Really good way to make power. I know you watch a lot of our videos. You see a lot of, Roush superchargers, but this is also a sweet setup as well. It's the Vortech, it's the V3. You get the JLT. And of course you get, we give you upgraded injectors in the package, but right now we've stepped it up a little bit more to 95-pound injectors in the fuel system. Killer car, love the black. So hey, if you have any questions, please leave a comment. Remember, email quote@brenspeed.com. What's that cost to get installed? And this package can be shipped right to your door off brenspeed.com. Give us a call, 574-594-9559. We are located in Indiana, for those of you who don't know. Thanks for watching.